Okay, dear friends, welcome back to Math Olympiad. Today we're going to be solving this question. I'm happy to have you again here today. Let's solve it together. We have this plus x equals to 10. How can we solve this one? Okay, you can take it as what? X cubed. Since you multiply this one times this one and this one plus x, you can bring this other man on this other side to have what? Minus 10 equals to 0. I recently show you a method in case when you have something like this and this 10. Nothing can be expressed as what? 8 plus this one. And 8 is what? 2 cube, and this is 2 to the power 1. You see that with this one already, you can put it here and use our special method that was with x square and x cube, where we had the 3 square and 3 cube. Do you remember in the previous video that will show up here? You can take a look and see that method. That is the same thing you are going to apply here, okay? Because that is the best way to simplify this, to factorize out this one. Or you can use the method of polynomial by doing the trial and error method, but that one will be quite longer. But with this short method, it will be very easy to solve this, even the polynomial one is in this form. Let's do it. Here you have what? X cubed plus x minus what? 8 minus 2 is equals to 0. So that 8 should be what? 2 cubed. Hence, you bring the cube and the dot on one side. You have x cubed minus 2 cubed. Okay, we just put it like this, plus x minus 2. Okay, that is what we have. But you know that a cubed minus b cubed is equals to what? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. I know you know about this one. That is a secret method. Yeah. That is algebra, I know, because you have been watching a lot of video and you have been applying this method. I know it. We'll take a look at it and subscribe. We move on. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Are you ready? Okay, continue. Moving on here, we're going to have what? X minus 2, because our A is that x and B is 2. Okay, x minus 2 into x square plus 2x, okay, plus 4, because that will be 2 square. Okay, plus x minus 2 equals to 0. You can see this a 1 here. Okay, at this point we can take out x minus 2 since it's common. We can take x minus 2, we take it out and have x squared plus 2x plus 4. Don't forget this man because this one is there. Don't forget that this one is there, plus 1. Okay, are you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, that is what we did because we took out this one so that we should have this one, because if you multiply you're going to have that and x minus 2. Okay, just as if this one were together, just see it like that. Okay, making what is inside here equals to 0. Since it's equals to 0, we can equate one part to 0. Hence x minus 2 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to 2. Okay, that is it. That's the point. Means if you substitute 2 here, you are going to find yourself having a 0. Yeah, that is it. We make it. Hence, let's move to the next one. We have x squared plus 2x, okay, plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, that is it. We can use which method to solve this one? Think about it. You can think of factorizing. No, that would be quite long. Let's use the factorization method or the equation directly. That will be negative b. That will be x is equals to negative b. Let's just substitute. I know you know the formula. Plus minus what's b square? 4 minus 4 is what's a 1 and 5. So 5 square root of this all over 2. Automatically looking at this, you know that this will tend to a complex or an imaginary number. X will be imaginary because we want to have x. Let's solve it together so I should get some knowledge in complex number. Negative 2 plus minus 4 minus 20 is what? Negative 16. Square root of this, and we have all over that. X is equals to negative 2 plus minus negative 16. Root of negative 16 is equals to what? Root of negative 1 times root of 16. And root of negative 1 from complex number is I, and root of 16 is 4 actually. Okay, we are going to have plus minus I, 4i all over 2. Hence, our x is equals to minus 2 plus minus minus 1 plus minus 2i. That's the other values of x. This one also, if you substitute this one in here, you're going to have 10. Okay, but you need to know how to manipulate the complex number, since I square negative 1 I is equals to that I cube is equals to negative I to the power 4 is equals to 1. That will be I square, and so on and so forth and so on. I have a video also in a playlist of complex number. You can check it also and know about this complex number. Is quite important in your career of mathematics. Okay, and we have the different answers. But if they stated I should take only the real part, I'm going to just limit here. In case they say you could solve it in an infinite loop, you can also include this answer. But just include for good sake. But this is the official answer. Okay, and we come to the end. Subscribe to the channel and watch the next video. Thank you.